Play Store, Android Auto. See this logo over here? Hit install. And then now it's done. We head over to the car. Okay, first put in your USB cable. Prefer original. Now on the screen over here, app information. You click on it. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Since mine says Samsung, so it's gonna go with the Android. So I'm gonna plug it in. Now see the screen, it pops up, and then it asks you unlock to continue. Okay. See over here, screen like this, accept. And then blah blah blah, continue. Scroll down, continue. And then continue. Allowed. Allowed. Just hit allow everything until it completes. And then we're done. Skip this. You can read more information if you need to. And now this is where your Android Auto comes in. Over here, this is your map, navigation, just like your Google. No more screen. You can put it away. You can go from here.